good design also applies, of course, to commercial vehicles. So basically what we did, we applied our hot and cool sensual purity philosophy from our Mercedes-Benz cars to the world of commercial vehicles, to the new Sprinter, and so came up with an aesthetic design direction that is very new, very different to everything you have seen before in the world of commercial vehicles. Let me give you an example. The vehicle is clean but powerful. We cleaned up the sides, we cleaned up the front, we gave the car much more impact through the 1.5 box design in the front, and we gave it the Mercedes look in the eyes. The interior follows the same hot and cool philosophy like our exterior. So it is very clean, pure and functional, but at the same time it is very beautiful and emotional. And so it combines the sensual and the pure part at its best. Like all of our new vehicles, the new Sprinter is the ultimate mobile device. It carries the latest version of our MBUX operating system on it. It's the first system that is truly designed inside out. It is very intuitive, very easy to use on one hand, but on the other hand, it is simply beautiful.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you see, the new Sprinter cuts a dash in every sense. My third example of an industry is the service industry, that is technicians, service technicians and other service providers. Many of these vehicles are part of a fleet, and therefore an efficient fleet management is of great importance. So the new Sprinter has been turned into a smart hardware in a way. It will become the node of the Internet of Things. Thanks to the new module, the communication module, the vehicle will be permanently connected to the Internet. Connectivity is a fixed part of the Sprinter DNA. And this is where Mercedes Pro Connect comes into play. It is, so to speak, the operating system of our Sprinter hardware. It's a digital ecosystem that makes sure that our vehicles and services are connected to each other. A smartphone app is used and allows the drivers to access vehicle status information and functions. Let me give you an example. The logistics manager of a fleet from his office can check the destination fuel level and the tours and the routes of his vehicles while they are on the road. And should the situation change at short notice, an algorithm will calculate the new routes, and the logistics manager can contact the colleagues in the vehicle and transmit the new destinations to the navigation system. That will save time, money and nerves. And in addition to that, we have the MBUX multimedia systems, which allows an even more intuitive operation. Ever since its premiere, as Dieter mentioned, last Friday, many of you reported and covered the new system in their reports. It's a high-tech revolution presented by Mercedes-Benz. It is the best complement to our flagship vehicle. In terms of navigation, Mercedes-Benz is the first vehicle manufacturer to work or to use what three words. This geocoding system allows you to navigate to any location on Earth with a resolution of 3 meters without any street names or address. That's particularly helpful when you go to a large construction site or a power pole in the middle of nowhere in the open terrain. The name, what three words, is used because every navigation square in the world, on the globe, is given a unique string of 3 English words. That's easy to remember and easy to communicate. Hey, Mercedes, where are we exactly?
Auf der Mercator-Insel in Duisburg.
We are located on the Mercator Island in Duisburg. The address, translate, deep truck steering. Well, that seems to fit. Ladies and gentlemen, you see our new flagship offers an arsenal of innovation and innovative features. And how this turns into an innovative, comprehensive solution, this is what we would like to show you after the reveal in the individual boxes of the industry. I think by now you've seen that the Sprinter will again be a game changer. Together with our customers, we have developed the new Sprinter as part of your value creation chain. So our new flagship becomes the tailor-made overall system solution. Smart hardware, which we will use to raise the segment and our business to the next level. In Europe, the new Sprinter will be available as of June from your dealers, available starting from €20,000. But ladies and gentlemen,